Hi guys, well welcome back. What we're going to do is to make our mini UFO. So we're going to need our muffins, our ham, our cheese and a sauce of your liking. So we like barbecue, so we're going to do that. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to grab a muffin. You might need mum or dad to do this bit. We're just going to cut it in half. Okay, then what we're going to do is going to grab your sauce. I'm going to put sauce on each side. Now you can put as much or as little as you like. It's really preference. Okay, we're going to smooth that out. Okay, we're going to grab some of our ham. Just a couple of slices. Okay, we're going to cut that up into little bits. And we're going to sprinkle that on. You can really make these with anything, so you can put tuna on it, you can put chicken, it's endless what you could do. Okay, so now that we've got the ham on, we grab our cheese. I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on them. And then these guys are ready to go onto our tray. So on our tray, I like to put a little bit of baking paper down. Okay, and then I'll put them on there and we'll put them in the oven. Alright guys, so let's put these into the oven. Now I've had the oven preheated at 180 and it takes roughly about 5-10 minutes depending on how melted you want the cheese. Okay, so these were only in the oven for about 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. And look at those, nice and crispy. So you're going to want a parent to get them in and out of the oven because we don't want you to burn yourself. Okay, and then we put them all on a plate and enjoy. There we go. Good job, everybody.
In our next workshop, we'll be making sherbet. To make sherbet, you will need some jelly crystals, icing sugar, some citric acid and bicarb soda. Alright, we'll see you then.